distant lands we've come today. Answering your call, we make our way. Every heart beats with pure desire to reach your house, our souls inspire. Ya Allah, guide our steps, we pray. Ya Allah, Ya Allah.
Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, united on this blessed land. Our differences fade away as millions gather here to pray. Subhanallah, what grace we see, and love, what grace we see.
Today, million voices rise and say, Labbaik Allah, we obey. Around the Kaaba we all turn, as one nation we return. Black and white from near and far, under your sky, here we are. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, why we stand all anchor raised. Your mercy falls, we stand amazed. Every soul here purified, as peace and love spread far and wide. Subhanallah, what joy we feel.
Subhanallah, we feel. Allah, Subhanallah.
Million steps as one we take, million hearts for your sweet sake. Allah, hear our prayer today.